Welcome guys, today I have a special sound, I want to show you. Only kids can hear this sound and adults can't hear it. Are you ready? To see if you are a kid. But before I let you listen to the sound, make sure to subscribe and like this video to get your orange belt. Are you ready? Did you hear it? Let's play it again, but with 300% volume. If you heard the sound, then like the video and leave a comment.